Easy. Hey, baby, I'm getting it.
That's the only thing. It's one of the only things.
Easy. You gotta get good with it out here, bro. You do that shit at night, bro, you can't see a damn thing.
He's about, yeah.
Especially with the terrain and shit too. Like that's one of the biggest things. Is just like knowing where your footing is sometimes, because you only got that 40 degrees.
That, and then when you look, like ain't no looking down to see anything.
Right, exactly.
Everything is.
You got the iris on your shit too.
Yeah.
Yeah. That helps, but it's like it's not a practical adjustment to be doing.
Yeah.
You know, live and in action. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Let me get out the cameraman shot, man. I want to make sure everybody get a clean picture.
Yeah.
I did my best for you, Nick. I know I'm not a professional, so.
No, it's all good, brother.
Oh, let me put the mag on the thing. I gotta tighten up on this belt. All right.
Drills with that extra weight on your fucking head, bro.
You lost something.
It's okay. It's just a knife. Yeah, I gotta tighten up on this belt. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, shoot, load, and make ready.
Yes, sir.
Shooter, understand the course of fire.
Yes, sir.
I hope so.
Going hot. Stand by.
Yep. Gotta fix that dot for the side. Oh! Show clear.
Show clear. Hammer down holster.
Hammer down holster.
How you gonna make up a makeup shot and shoot the hostage with the makeup shot?
I shot the hostage dog.
Hell yeah!
Which one I shot, homie?
That one right there.
God damn!
Oh, you did?
Oh my God!
Get in his shit.
Fuck, bro. He said,
Pow,
how
pow,
you
and he
shot
said,
the...
up, pow.
Damn, dog. Jeff, don't do me like that, dog. He said, how you gonna shoot the hostage?
Where's the makeup
Fuck.
shot?
Don't give me all. He gave me okay. Yeah, I did it. Mr. Gunn TV, dog. We did it. Mistakes happen. That's why we correct them while we out here. Messing up. Done shot the hostage. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Paramedics is down the street. We're gonna make sure matter of fact, we're gonna teach a class on how to do tourniquets. That way, if you shoot the hostage by accident, you know how to kind of save their life, if anything. Yes. God dang. Yeah, I'm done with that gun. That gun finna be done. Yeah, that gun finna be done. Go ahead, you clear? Oh, that's you. Okay. You good.
Police up all your mags.
Yeah. I won't get the gun, but you good.
Rifle and everything.
Copy that. Appreciate it, y'all.
Yeah, that's your kind of one stop. That's how my other one is. I just figured I would run something a little smaller today.
I'll bring
Call myself being cool with all this gear off.
Where my other man at? Let me see.
You know what I'm saying? Then make ready when you ready.
Ready?
Where's my John Wick? All right.
Yeah, I mean, I did not understand the course of fire. No, I mean, I just...
Damn.
I set those targets up to me. I set them too up.
There we go. Hey, pimp. Boy, I stay losing shit, boy.
It's gonna be professional. I mean, they don't do a movie in one take.
That's what I'm told, yeah.
They don't do a movie in one take. Who's next?
Yeah, but in real life, you only get one go. Fuck this shit up if you want to.
That's true.
I'm just saying, I'm here to piss on people's parade.
I like that.
I mean,
Only because it is life and death shit.
well, get it fucking right then.
I'm gonna fuck it up 6 ways to Sunday.
He said get it fucking right.
I'm not making it past the third day. I'm okay with that, but I'm gonna take a bunch of motherfuckers with me.
All right.
Let's see. You said 3 and then 6, right?
Yes, sir. 6 on the car.
Yeah, we do need to work on that.
This a damn gun I ain't shot